Yeah.
Pugglesworth, come here.
Pugglesworth, come here. Mr. Pugglesworth, hey.
What are you doing? He's like, getting away from the leash. Get away, leash. Hopefully he doesn't go running in the water.
Mr. Pugglesworth, come here.
He's just running away. Ow! You don't like that leash, do you? Maybe we should take it off. Out of breath, baby? He's out of breath. But he's found a second wind. Oh.